Located on Illinois Lane in peaceful Rocky Mount, Missouri, this 0.24-acre property in Indian Creek Hills offers endless possibilities. Enjoy access to a private 40-acre lake, hunting grounds, a campsite, and a boat ramp. You're just minutes from Lake of the Ozarks and Coffman Beach public boat launch. Plus, you'll have Lake Pocahontas nearby for swimming, fishing, and relaxing by the water. Whether you're looking to camp, escape for weekends, or build your dream home, owner financing makes it easy to make this beautiful spot yours. At AGT Properties, we make it easy for anyone to own land in Morgan County, Missouri. Make your dreams come true today. Choose AGT Properties. Investments for a lifetime.